Phoenix Machinery has been dealing in woodworking machinery for more than 10 years. Our products are mainly edge banding machine, precise panel saw, multiple drilling machine, cold press, etc., which have been exported to lots of countries and regions, such as Europe, Russia, Southeast Asia, Middle East, North America, Australia. Our company takes the principle of quality first and customer foremost. Our company has professional technology for range of testing lines and pipelining, and for professional production lines of woodworking machines, complete sets of CNC processing equipments and experienced technicians to guarantee high quality. Complete sales system provides perfect pre-sale and after-sale services. Phoenix Machinery is looking forward to establishing long-term strategic cooperation relationship with you and offering you high-quality products and a perfect service system.